Welcome back to Making Frugal Fun. I'm Shannon and I share our family's debt-free journey to pay off over $500,000 of debt and all the frugal things we do to get there faster. Make sure you hit subscribe so you don't miss anything. Today I'm going to make some DIY Lunchables. I have 4 ideas I'm going to share with you. I found these on Amazon. They're the little stackable containers that have the 4 slots, kind of like a Lunchable would. My kids eat these a lot. They're like $1, $1.25 or something at Kroger, Walmart, wherever. They're like knockoff Lunchables. They're called lunch makers. And so my kids don't usually eat this for like a whole lunch. It's usually like a snack or something they eat on the weekend or something like that. Or I'll take everything out and like put it in their lunchbox and like add more stuff, because by itself it's not really like super filling. But lately my littlest has been getting the pepperoni ones and just eating the cheese and the pepperonis and then taking out and the candy, he says. But as you can see from Exhibit A, I've been trying to save these like little flatbread things and the sauce, because I'm like, okay, now we're just wasting food. But so trying to prevent the food waste, but I don't think anyone's gonna eat these. Plus we all know it's cheaper when you make things at home or like buy things in bulk and put them together at home. Whenever you buy anything that's prepackaged, you're paying for the convenience. We all know, but you know, sometimes we have those weeks where we're like, I'm gonna pay for the convenience. I know I do. You guys seem to like my last lunchbox video, so I was going to make these anyways, and I was like, I should just film this for YouTube and give a few more lunchbox ideas. So these would be great for just to put in a lunchbox with some other things, or also just like weekend snacking, just have them all prepped and ready to go in the fridge so your kids can just grab and go. Also for weeknight sporting event type things. So we have something like almost every night between theater and cheerleading and baseball and softball and all these other sports and activities that we do. So between all that, there are definitely going to be some later dinners. So having something like this to like bridge between getting out of school and going to activities will be awesome, because it's already prepped and ready to go. Pop it in a bag with a water bottle and send the kids on their way. So without further ado, here are some DIY Lunchable ideas for you. Okay, so first we are making pepperoni pizza Lunchables, basically. So I'm using Ritz crackers here because that is something that my kids really like, and just adding the pepperonis and the mozzarella cheese, which is better than buying the whole Lunchable when they're not even going to eat the flatbread part or the sauce. So you could obviously add like actual pizza sauce to this and also experiment with different things. You'll see at the end of the video I use these like mini non-flatbread things, and those would be awesome as pizza dippers as well. When I posted this on TikTok, I got a lot of different ideas from people and it was awesome. Next, we're doing a traditional turkey Lunchable. So instead of getting like pre-sliced cheese or cheese sticks or anything like that, obviously the cheapest way is to buy a big block of cheese and cut it up yourself. So this is awesome. I see people doing this all the time on TikTok or Instagram Reels, and they're like, it's so much cheaper if you just make your own cheese sticks. And these are the things like I never think about until I hear it from other people. So I'm reminding you that that is a easy way to save money. And then of course you could get turkey like this. This is just from Walmart, and cut it into squares. You could also use shape cutters to make it more fun, to cut it into circles so it looks just like a Lunchable for your kids. If they're super picky like that, you could also cut it into different fun shapes if you wanted to. And then of course I'm just using Ritz crackers and adding some Oreos, or actually these are Great Value Walmart Oreos, on this side for dessert, but you could put M&Ms or Halloween candy or Christmas candy or whatever the season is and whatever you have on hand. And here I'm just showing you guys the Lunchables the Nacho Lunchables that my son likes. And obviously this is a really easy thing to recreate yourself, and it tastes a whole lot better too, because honestly the little chips that come in those nachos, I've tried them and they are not that good. So I'm just using shredded taco blend, cheese, the Tostitos scoops, and salsa. Something that would be really fun for this Lunchable would be to use leftover taco meat. So if you had tacos the night before, put some taco meat in and add the Tostitos scoops. I did have an issue with space with this. So as you see, I had to use 2 different compartments to put enough chips in there to where it like made sense. So this would maybe be better for like a bigger lunchbox, or you might have to add some things in containers on the side if you wanted to add leftover taco meat, but that's a really fun way to have tacos for lunch. And last but not least, this is just going to be like the pita bread and hummus, like a little bit of a healthier style Lunchable. These are the mini non-bread dipper things that I said would be really good for like using with the pizza Lunchable as well. I'm just adding hummus to this one, but you can buy these little things in bulk. I've seen them at Costco before, and they're so much fun and so delicious to dip in like guacamole and hummus. And then I'm just adding grapes, and I wanted to show you guys this cool grape cutter. I've been wanting to get one of these for a while, and it's always out of stock, but recently this one came back in stock on Amazon, and so I'll link it below in case you've been looking for one too. And I'll also link the Lunchable containers and some of my other lunch packing favorites below. I hope this helps you and gives you some more fun and easy lunchbox ideas, some ideas for snacks, after school snacks, activity in the car, packing snacks, or whatever you need. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one.